Welcome to day 8 of The Power of Growth, your 30-day mindset makeover. We've been working on building habits, stepping out of our comfort zones, and taking action. But today we're shifting gears a bit. Today is all about you, how you feel, and how you can elevate your energy, mood, and mindset. Here's your challenge for today. Feel your best. It sounds simple, but don't underestimate the power of this practice. When you feel good, physically, mentally, and emotionally, you're not just happier, you're also more focused, more productive, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. So, let's start with a quick check-in. Right now, ask yourself, how do I feel? Be honest. Are you feeling energized and excited? Or maybe a little tired, stressed, or just meh? Whatever it is, don't judge yourself. This is just about noticing where you're at. Now, if the answer is anything less than amazing, here's your next step. Ask yourself, what can I do to feel better? Sometimes the answer is small and simple. Maybe you need to grab a cup of coffee or tea, go for a quick jog or take a walk outside, text a friend or family member for a laugh or a little encouragement, put on your favorite song and have a mini dance party. Whatever it takes, make an effort to lift your mood and energy. And here's the fun part. Once you've done that first thing, challenge yourself to keep leveling up. Ask yourself again, what else can I do to feel even better? Here are a few ideas to take it to the next level. Fuel up with a healthy, nutritious meal or snack that makes you feel great from the inside out. Take a power nap or get to bed early tonight for some extra rest. Spend a few minutes reflecting on your recent wins, big or small, and let yourself feel proud of your progress. This challenge is about more than just feeling good in the moment. It's about recognizing that you have the power to influence your energy, mood, and mindset. By taking intentional steps to feel your best, you set yourself up for success in the classroom, on the field, and in life. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're having a low-energy afternoon. Instead of pushing through and staying stuck in that slump, you take 5 minutes to step outside, stretch, and breathe deeply. That simple reset lifts your mood just enough to tackle the rest of your day with renewed focus. Or maybe you're feeling a little down. You decide to text a friend who always makes you laugh. Their response brightens your day and reminds you how much support you have in your corner. It's these small, intentional actions that can turn your day around. And when you make them a habit, they can transform your life. Here's your action step. Throughout today, keep checking in with yourself. Every few hours, ask yourself, how do I feel? What can I do to feel better? Start with something small and build from there. By the end of the day, reflect on how those choices affected your energy and mood. And as always, I'd love to hear how it goes. Share in the comments, what did you do today to feel your best? How did those choices impact your day? Let's inspire each other with ideas and keep this positive momentum going. Let's keep building momentum and growing together, one day at a time. You've got this. Go crush your day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Your support helps this community grow, and together we can empower each other to thrive. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming days in this 30-day Mindset Makeover series.